Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. How are you, students? Students, we welcome all of you in our Famam education channel. Students, today our topic is cost accounting, in which the problem 5.14 is showing on the book. Let's read it firstly. After that, we will solve this problem clearly. Let's start. Preparing operating statement from income data. Al Ghafar Company Limited provide following incomplete information at the end of its accounting year. In this problem, sales for the year is given 6 lakh 50,000 rupees. Cost of goods sold for the year 3,50,000 rupees. Material purchase during the year is unknown. Here the question mark is showing. This amount we will find out. Direct labor cost is also given 80,000 rupees. Cost of goods available for sale is given 4,33,000 rupees. Income tax for the years 12,000 rupees. Inventories, material, beginning and ending are given, as well as work in process also given in the form of beginning and ending inventory, same as finished goods inventories also not given, which is unknown, which we will find in problem. Direct material used during the year is equal to 80% of the cost of goods sold. Factory overhead 80% of direct labor cost. Selling and administrative expenses are respectively 10% and 20% of sales. Required prepare complete income statement for the incomplete information given above. The students, it is saying here that direct material used during the year is equal to 80% of cost of goods sold. So what is the amount of cost of goods sold? Go first page. Cost of goods sold for the year 3,50,000 rupees. 3,50,000 rupees. So that material consumed is the 80% of cost of goods sold. Then we will find some extra working. The students, what is the amount of cost of goods sold? Cost of goods sold amount is cost of additional computation. Cost of goods sold which is 3,50,000 rupees. 3,50,000 rupees is given. Now we will find the material consumed. Material consumed. which is 80% of cost of goods sold. 350, 3,50,000 multiple 80% means 0.80. This is the amount is 3,50,000 multiple 0.80. This is the amount is 2,80,000 rupees. 2,80,000 rupees is the material consumed in the production. Now next our requirement is, which is selling and admin expenses. Selling expenses which are the 10% of sales. 10% of sales means sales amount 6,50,000 rupees is the sale amount, multiple 10% means 0.10. 6,50,000 rupees multiple 0.10. This is the amount is 65,000 rupees. 65,000 rupees. Now admin expenses is 2% of sale. Admin expenses mean admin expenses, which is 2% of sales. 6,50,000 rupees multiple 0.02. 0.02. 6,50,000 rupees 0.02. This is the amount. This is the amount is 13,000 rupees is the admin expenses. Now students, we get start the performer. The performer cost of goods manufactured and source statement. Firstly, we have to write the title Al Ghaffar Company Limited. Al Ghaffar Company Limited. Cost of goods manufactured and sold statement. For the year ended 31st December 2020. The students, firstly we have to write here opening raw material inventory, opening raw material inventory, which is 52,000 rupees. 52,000 rupees. ₹52,000 plus material purchase during the period. This is the amount is unknown. This is the amount is unknown. Material available for use. Now we have less here. Closing raw material inventory, which is given 48,000 rupees. 48,000 rupees. Now, dear students, we have to write here material consumed, material consumed in production, which is find out here 2,80,000 rupees, 2,80,000 rupees, 2,80,000 rupees. Now, dear students, we have to add this value with this value to find out the material available for use. 2,80,000 rupees plus 2,80,000 rupees plus 48,000 rupees. This is the amount is 3,28,000 rupees. 3,28,000 rupees. Now we less here this amount with this amount minus 52,000 rupees. This is the 2,76,000 rupees is the material purchased during the years. This is the unknown value as a balancing figure. Now, dear students, direct labor cost is given which is the amount is 80,000 rupees. 80,000 rupees. 80,000 rupees. Now here F is not given, which is also a balancing figure. Here. Now total manufacturing cost. Now we have to add here opening work in process inventory, which is given 50,000 rupees here. Then we will find total cost to be accounted for. Now here less closing work in process inventory, which is 75,000 rupees. Then we find out the cost of goods manufactured. Cost of goods manufactured. Cost of goods manufactured. Cost of goods manufactured of goods manufactured. Now we have to less here. Add here opening finished goods inventory, which is also unknown. Then we have find here cost of goods available for sale, which is given in the problem 4,33,000 rupees. 33,000 rupees. Now we have less here, closing finished goods, inventory, which is also unknown. Dear student, here is cost of goods sold. Cost of goods sold, which is given in question. The amount is 3,50,000 rupees. The 3,50,000 rupees. Now we take difference these two values. 3,50,000 minus 4,33,000. This is the value of 83,000 rupees here. This is the unknown value which we will find. We have find here as a balancing figure. Now we cost of goods manufactured also factory overhead is also given in the form of 80% of direct labor cost. 80% of direct labor cost mean 80% of direct labor cost, 80,000 multiple 80%, which is 64,000 rupees. Now we sum up in three values: 2,80,000 rupees plus 80,000 rupees plus 64,000 rupees. This is the amount of 4,24,000 rupees. 4,24,000 rupees. Now add this value in this plus 50,000 rupees. This is the 4,74,000 rupees. Now we less here minus 75,000 rupees. Then we will find 3,99,000 rupees. Now we take the difference between both, minus 4,33,000 rupees. This is the 34,000 rupees here. Dear students, 34,000 rupees here. This is also a unknown value as a opening finished goods inventory. This is also a balancing figure. Dear students, we have completed our cost of goods sold, cost of goods manufactured and sold statements values. Now we will find income statement here. Income statement here. Income statement. Income statement for the year ended 31st December 2022. Now, dear students, what is the sale amount? The sale amount is 6,50,000 rupees. 6 lakh sales, 6,50,000 rupees. Less cost of goods sold, which is 3,50,000 rupees. Now, dear students, this is the gross profit. Gross profit amount 3 lakh rupees. Now we had less here, less operating expenses, which are marketing expenses, and also admin expenses. What is marketing expenses? 65,000 rupees. Admin expenses 13,000 rupees. Now we have to add both values. 65,000 plus 13,000. This is the 78,000 rupees. 78,000 rupees right here. Net operating income minus 3 lakh rupees is that 2,22,000 rupees the net operating income, less here income tax amount, income tax payable, which is 12,000 rupees. 12,000 rupees. ₹12,000, 2,10,000 rupees is the net income, for the year. Dear students, I hope that you have understood this problem clearly. If you understand this problem clearly, please subscribe my channel and push the like button. Thanks.